Hello, trail walkers. I would like to give a quick shout out to our friends at Sunglass Warehouse for providing some of the coolest shades around at a discount. No trail is walked without a pair of these on hand for a comfortable trail experience. For more information, please visit sunglasswarehouse.com. I will place a link in the description of this video. Now, let's get started. Hello, trail walkers. Today we are walking at the Norfolk Botanical Gardens. We are doing a fall walk with our local group here, the Gators Volts March, and we're starting at 9 a.m. The weather is great, so let's see what we'll come across today. Well, trail walkers, we're finished. Today I had a special guest along with me. One of the volunteers over at the Norfolk Botanical Gardens was kind enough to finish the trail with me today. I'm really impressed with what we came across, and I hope you will be too. Stay tuned next week for my next video. Where I'm going, not really sure. You'll have to tune into the channel to find that out.